Yo, how's it going, guys? This boy Binky. I'm back for another video. Today I will show how to hide the page on iPhone and iOS 15 under or above. Let's get started. The first thing you need to hit the screen until you make the app checking. Until that, you need to swipe up. No, you need to hit on the dots in the screen. Hit on it. You see the pop-up new window, and you see you have all the page you have in your iPhone, and you need to uncheck. You see the arrow. Hit on uncheck and hit done. You see we hit the page. If you need to back the page you are hit it, you need to hit on the screen until the app is checking, and hit on the dots in the screen, and you see you need to back to check it, and you see, and hit done, and after that you back your hide screen or hide page. And this video for today, I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.